Milpas City and Joel's Market in Milpas City. Igalan shout out. Igalan shout out in the Milpas City. We will walk. We walk. Here. Spring na kaya bumubugis lang na ang mga dahon. Igalan shout out. It's quiet place here. Yan, ikot ko kayo. Ikot tayo. Ikot. Ito yung mga nagpapastol ng ship. Black ship. Miga-miga shout out. Ito yung waterproof hardal. Out. Ito yung pinakamalaking cart. So that is my two lovely boy. And then, kila kayo ng mga bicycle dyan. Ito yung bicycle. Oh. My two deck. Yan yung dalawa kong kadet. Cadets of my boys. Oh, it's nice one. It's nice one. That is nice. Sunny day today. It's sunny day today. Let's go guys. So it's sunny day today. It's sunny day. Ayan yung city. Ito yung pinakamalaking cart. Ito at saka ito. Pigilan share at so mga tao naglalakad-lakad kasi it's sunny day today. It's sunny day. Oh.